完美的。
改一下扫描长度。改一下激光功率。
When the most blocking flip cover of the gun head is closed, the external warning light will flash to give an alarm. After turning on the safety lock switch, the traffic light changes to a green light flashing. Then we open the most blocking flip cover again. When the green light stays on steadily, the alarm is lifted. Double-click the light emitting button to make it emit light normally. After the most blocking flip cover is closed, the green light is in a flashing alarm state. Double-click the light emitting button again. You can find that the laser cannot be emitted. Open the most blocking flip cover again. When the green light is on, the alarm is lifted. Double-click the light emitting button. Then it can emit light normally. The maximum laser power can be adjusted up to 6,000 watts. The maximum scanning speed can be adjusted up to 40,000. The cleaning width can be adjusted between 200 and 500 mm.
悠悠戚戚秀畫不斷，冷冷暖暖一片，何怨？視線碰上你，怎不？